Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I have another Book of the Month Club unboxing to share with you guys, and it is the month of October, so of course I have some really fun and Halloween-y types of books to share with you because I'm obsessed with Halloween. I love reading spooky books this time of year, and I am super excited to share with you the books that I chose for the month of October through Book of the Month Club. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. And be sure to subscribe so that you can be updated every time I share a new and fun video. I have several book unboxings coming up this month that all have to do with some great October books, so you can look forward to that coming up soon. I'm also doing Vlogtober right now, which is so much fun, and I have lots of fun content that I've been sharing and lots more coming up, so I hope you'll consider subscribing. All right, let's open up this box because it's been sitting on my desk for 2 days and I am really anxious to see what these books look like. If you're not familiar with Book of the Month Club, it is a monthly subscription. I am not sponsored, by the way. I just love doing this. It's so much fun. So basically, you get your first book for $14.99, and then any additional book that you want to add on, you can get for $9.99. The first book that you choose from 5 of their newly selected books that are usually new releases and awesome. And every single one that I have read so far has been a great Book of the Month Club pick. So it's super exciting to pick from the 5 that they choose, and then to also have so many other books. I want to say hundreds of books to choose from to add on for only $9.99. And they're beautiful, they're hardcovered, and they're cheap compared to what you would spend at like Barnes & Noble, because every time I go to Barnes & Noble I realize I can't afford to buy any of their books, and I wait and I order it from Book of the Month Club. Okay, so let me show you what these books look like. The first one that I got is Practical Magic. This is a book I have wanted to read for the longest time, and I cannot believe that I have never read this book, but it is a fun witchy book to read for October by Alice Hoffman. I'm sure probably most of you have seen this movie. This is a very famous movie. I myself have seen it as well, and I'll just read you what it's about in case you're not familiar with the storyline of Practical Magic. This was my add-on book. This wasn't a choice of the first 5. The Owen sisters confront the challenges of life and love in this bewitching novel from best-selling author Alice Hoffman. For more than 200 years, the Owens women have always blamed everything that has gone wrong in their Massachusetts town. Gillian and Sally have endured that fate as well. As children, the sisters were forever outsiders, taunted, talked about, pointed at. Their elderly aunts almost seemed to encourage the whispers of witchery with their musty house and their exotic concoctions and their crowd of black cats. But all Gillian and Sally wanted was to escape. One will do so by marrying, the other by running away, but the bonds they share will bring them back almost as if by magic. So this just sounds like such a fun book, and they're good Halloween books, but not like scary and gory and disturbing, so that's what I love about them too. So the purchase of this book was prompted by this one, which was one of the 5 books that I had to choose from, and this is also by Alice Hoffman. It's called Magic Lessons, and it is the prequel to Practical Magic. So I just thought this was a great combination to get these 2 together. I have to decide which one to read first though. Since this is the prequel, I wonder if I should start with this one and then go to this one, but let's just read quickly what this is about. Where does the story of the Owens bloodline begin? With Maria Owens in the 1600s, when she is abandoned in a snowy field in rural England as a baby. Under the care of Hannah Owens, Maria learns about the nameless art. Hannah recognizes that Maria has a gift, and she teaches the girl all she knows. It is here that she learns her first important lesson: always love someone who will love you back. So I am super excited to read these 2 books. I will leave in the description below a promo code where you can purchase your first Book of the Month Club book for an amazingly cheap amount of money. I think it's like $9 or $9.99. So if you use that promo code, you can get your first book for the discounted rate. And also when you use that discount code, I get a free book. And that's awesome. And then I can do more unboxing videos for you guys. So it just works out perfectly. You can skip a month if you don't like any of their choices. And I don't know if this is something new that they're doing, but the last couple of times when I didn't like the choice of the 5 books, they gave me other choices to choose from previous books. So that was pretty awesome as well. And I think the last time I ordered books from them, that is what I ended up doing. So it's really, really a great way to grow your at-home library if that is something that you're trying to do. It's something that I've been doing for a while now. You can probably see part of my bookcase back there. And I just love having books on hand. Instead of going to the library, I can just look at my bookcase and pick out something new to read, and I have such a beautiful selection of books, mostly now Book of the Month Club books. So these are my 2 picks for October. I'm sure it's not surprising to any of you that I picked 2 books that have to do with witches, and I'm super excited to start reading them. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure that you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below if you are part of Book of the Month Club and what book you selected this month. And I will see you all in the next video. Take care. Bye.